come get ready with me as a busy mom who has super sensitive skin with very few ingredients. Okay, first let me introduce you to these balms. This is a bronzer, and then we have a blush balm and a highlighter balm. And I've been using these 3 for a year. We have 9 now of different shades. So I'm gonna show you how I apply these with just my 3 fingers. What I love about these, they're easy to travel with. It's pigmented, like the less is more, and also very buildable. It's like good for you. You feel like your skin, if you have a mature skin, like powder kind of seeps into my creases sometimes. So I love that. So I just do the 3-finger trick and then swipe just like that. And then you kind of can blend it with your tool of choice. Honestly, on most days, I use my fingers. Here I'm using my brush. You can also use a beauty sponge, whatever you like. So one of my and then I just do the second next cheek. I love this bronzer as a cool undertone, so it's perfect for all skin tones, and it's perfect for contour. So you do your nose and whatever feels snatched. Now this gel eyeliner, obsessed. It is long wear, smudge free, and it's the first one I can use on my waterline. 6 different shades. I'm going with the classic black today because why not? And then our lip pencil. I love to use lip pencil because it locks in the colors. Our lipsticks are long lasting, but sometimes if you're eating or talking a lot, this just kind of keeps it in, and it's also nourishing. I love about this tool is actually a sharpener is on the back side of it. And then with our lipstick, magnetic top, no worry about losing those anymore. And this is one of my favorite bold colors I never would have worn 5 years ago. It's like a blue-red matte, so nourishing. Again, good for you ingredients. And I have purchased so many different brands, spent too much money, and this lasts. I love all of our lip shades, but this one, I mean, hello, can't go wrong with red. And then I'm out the door, or maybe I'm here watching TikToks doing nothing. Maybe I'm yelling at the kids, who knows? But all I know is I look natural. I feel good doing it.